Install these Lasfit lights. They are their new T3s. These are the exact same ones, literally, that I installed into the Tacoma in a previous video for you guys. So if you look closely to them, you guys can see that there's yellow light in it. That is gonna be for our white light as our DRL, since they are switchbacks. And then with the orange light in it, we can see that that will be a nice bright amber. I will leave a link and a discount code for you guys in the description for these as well. They have the switchbacks version, or if you're running like orange light, amber lights all on your rig, they have a full orange version as well.